Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Manzil from D class, and here I want to explain to you about development of syllabus and curriculum. For the first, what is curriculum and syllabus? Curriculum and syllabus are two main documents widely used in the education process. The general purpose of both is to organize the proper relationship between professor and students and define both sides' responsibilities and requirements. In a simple explanation, the two documents are formal written descriptions of the studying units, a curriculum for the global studying program or course, and a syllabus for smaller scales like a specific subject. And if you plan to be involved in the education process, either as a professor or a student, understanding the curriculum and syllabus. These two terms are usually referred to as very similar or sometimes the same at the amateur level. And then, syllabus. Syllabus is a document containing the information about the different topic or the portion that needs to be covered for a particular subject or a course. This document is determined by the Board of Examination and created by different professors. While forming a syllabus, the professor ensures that the fundamentals of a particular subject or course are added in a unique combination of the theoretical and practical learning methods. A syllabus is provided to students and teachers at the beginning of an academic session. And then, components of the syllabus. There is six components. For the first, basic information. In the basic information, there are name of university, semester, year, course title, number, unit value, course meeting times, and allocation. And then course description, like prerequisites, overview of course, students' learning objective. And then the third, materials. There are primary books or readings for the course, supplemental books or readings, websites, and links. And then schedule. Schedule, tentative calendar of topics and readings, firm dates for exams and written assignments, dates of special events. And then fifth, policies. There are grading procedures, attendance and attendance class and participants. And then the last, requirements. There are exams and quizzes, assignment or problem sets or projects or reports or research papers. And then about curriculum. Curriculum is basically a set of guidelines for different academic contents and chapters that are covered in a specific program offered by a particular school or college. However, it covers the attitude, manner, knowledge, behavior, performance, manner, and different skills that students will develop throughout the academic period. Also, for the differences between syllabus versus curriculum, the latter deals with different teaching methods, assignments, lessons, mental and physical exercises, assessments, presentations, learning objectives, test series, and etc. And component of curriculum. These four components of curriculum are essential, and these has a connection to one another. For the first, curriculum goal can be simplified as what is to be done. And the subject content or subject matter or content, what subject matter is to be included. And then the learning experience, what is instructional strategies, resources and activities will be employed, and the evaluation approaches. While curriculum evaluation is what methods and instruments will be used to access the results of the curriculum. And then principles of syllabus and curriculum development. There are scientific relevance, systematic principle, and principles consistency. For the first is scientific. While the overall material and activities, the charts must be in the curriculum scientifically correct and be verifiable. And then relevance. The relevance indicate the direction, the scope, depth, degree of difficulty, and the order of presentation of the material must be physical in the curriculum according to the level of development, intellectual, social, emotional, and spiritual learners. And then systematic principle. The principle of direction systematically that the curriculum should be systematic and systematic. If the curriculum seen as a system tutorial outline, the systematic nature of the curriculum synergic component of basic competence in the performance should. And then principles consistency. The principle of continuity that advise in the development of the curriculum of a relationship that is consistent between the basic competencies, indicators, subject learning experiences, resources learning, and assessment instruments are unidirectional to achieve the competency standards. And then for the conclusion, curriculum and syllabus are the term of education imparted to the students by teachers. It means the knowledge, skill, or qualification that are passed on from one generation to other. A subject syllabus is a unit of the curriculum. The two terms differ in a sense that curriculum is a combination of some factors which helps in the planning of an educational program, where a syllabus covers the portion of what topics should be taught in a particular subject. Okay, that's all about curriculum and syllabus. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.